PowerVision PowerRay. The first underwater drone on our list is the PowerVision PowerRay Explorer, which is designed for both recreational and professional use. This drone can dive up to 30 meters deep and has a 4K UHD camera that can capture amazing underwater footage. You can also stream live video to your smartphone or tablet, or even use VR goggles to get an immersive view of the underwater world. The PowerRay Explorer also has a sonar system that can detect fish and other objects up to 40 meters away, and a bait drop function that can attract fish to your drone. This drone is perfect for fishing enthusiasts, as well as anyone who wants to explore the ocean in a new way. You can find the PowerRay Explorer on Amazon for $999. Chasing Innovation Gladius Mini. The next underwater drone on our list is the Chasing Innovation Gladius Mini, which is a compact and agile drone that can perform 360-degree flips and turns. This drone can dive up to 100 meters deep and has a 4K UHD camera that can shoot stunning underwater videos and photos. You can also adjust the tilt angle of the camera from -45 degrees to 45 degrees, giving you more flexibility and creativity in your shots. The Gladius Mini can be controlled with a wireless remote or a smartphone app, and it has a 2-hour battery life that lets you enjoy longer dives. The Gladius Mini is ideal for divers, photographers, and adventurers who want to capture the beauty and diversity of the underwater world. You can find the Gladius Mini on Amazon for $1,499. Chasing Innovation Dory. The third underwater drone on our list is the Chasing Innovation Dory, which is the smallest and most affordable drone on this list. The Dory is only 9.7 inches long and weighs 2.5 pounds, making it easy to carry and store. The Dory can dive up to 15 meters deep and has a 1080p HD camera that can take clear and colorful underwater photos and videos. You can also customize the visual effects of your footage with filters and stickers on the smartphone app. The Dory can be controlled with your smartphone or tablet via Wi-Fi, and it has a 1-hour battery life that lets you enjoy quick dives. The Dory is great for beginners, kids, and casual users who want to have some fun with an underwater drone without breaking the bank. You can find the Dory on Amazon for $399. Qysea FiFish V6. The fourth underwater drone on our list is the Qysea FiFish V6, which is the first omnidirectional ROV in the world. This means that it can move in any direction and at any angle, giving you unprecedented freedom and control over your underwater exploration. The FiFish V6 can dive up to 100 meters deep and has a 4K UHD camera that can take stunning underwater footage with a wide-angle lens and image stabilization. You can also use VR goggles to get a first-person view of the underwater world, or share your live video with friends on social media platforms. The FiFish V6 can be controlled with a wireless remote or a smartphone app, and it has a 4-hour battery life that lets you enjoy longer dives. The FiFish V6 is perfect for professionals, enthusiasts, and explorers who want to experience the ultimate underwater adventure. You can find the FiFish V6 on for $1,999. YouCan BW Space Pro. The fifth underwater drone on our list is the YouCan BW Space Pro underwater drone, which is a smart and autonomous drone that can follow you or track an object automatically. This drone can dive up to 100 meters deep and has a 4K UHD camera that can take amazing underwater footage with digital defogging technology and a 130-degree wide-angle lens. You can also adjust the brightness of the LED lights on the drone to suit different underwater conditions. The BW Space Pro can be controlled with a wireless remote or a smartphone app, and it has a 5-hour battery life that lets you enjoy longer dives. The BW Space Pro is ideal for divers, photographers, and researchers who want to capture the underwater world with ease and convenience. You can find the BW Space Pro on for $1,699. ThorRobotics King Crab 100X. The sixth underwater drone on our list is the ThorRobotics King Crab 100X, which is a unique and innovative drone that can walk on the seabed with its 6 legs. This drone can dive up to 30 meters deep and has a 1080p HD camera that can take clear and vivid underwater photos and videos. You can also use the camera to inspect the hull of your boat or use the claw arm to grab objects or samples from the seabed. The King Crab 100X can be controlled with a wireless remote or a smartphone app, and it has a 2-hour battery life that lets you enjoy fun and functional dives. The King Crab 100X is suitable for hobbyists, boat owners, and educators who want to try something different and exciting with an underwater drone. You can find the King Crab 100X on for $1,299. Windek Sublue. The last underwater drone on our list is the Windek Sublue, which is a sleek and stylish drone that can also double as an underwater scooter. This drone can dive up to 40 meters deep and has a 1080p HD camera that can take smooth and stable underwater footage with electronic image stabilization and a 120-degree wide-angle lens. You can also attach the drone to your body with a harness and use it as a scooter to propel yourself underwater at speeds up to 4 knots. The Sublue can be controlled with a single-hand remote or a smartphone app, and it has a 1-hour battery life that lets you enjoy fast and fun dives. The Sublue is ideal for travelers, swimmers, and snorkelers who want to have some fun with an underwater drone and scooter combo. You can find the Sublue on for $999.